Hey folks, got another cool trailer for you to check out today. Wait till you see this one. This is a 2018 Heartland Wilderness. This is the 2850 BH model. BH standing for Bunkhouse. And this is probably one of my favorite floor plans for Bunkhouse trailers. This trailer is located in Denver, Colorado. My name is Eric and I'm helping Scott, the owner, with marketing this trailer. We're up in an area of Denver called Brighton. Now, this is on Scott's land. It is stored inside. Since you've owned it, you've always stored it inside.
That's correct.
In that building right there.
Big white bed. We just put it right in there, and it's kept it nice and dry and away from the elements.
Folks, wait till you see all the pictures of this, especially the roof. When you store them inside, it really makes a big difference. But again, my name's Eric. This is a private sale. I just do the marketing for my customers and handle initial inquiries and make sure buyers like you get all the correct information and there's no surprises. So the overall length on this trailer is 32 feet 9 inches. The exterior height to the 13,000 BTU AC unit up top is 11 feet 4 inches, and the interior height is 6 feet 10 inches. It's got 52 gallons of fresh water, 42 of gray, and 37 of black. Now Scott's including the sway bar tow hitch. He does have the bigger propane tanks on this. They're 10 gallons each, and he's got 2 batteries, and they're about 3 years old. He does have the original tires, but being stored inside, the tires look really good. So you can figure out what you want to do there. Nice pass-through storage, standard stabilizer jacks, manual, but the double entry is what's the kicker on this, because if you got kids and they bring friends and stuff, they don't have to go through the coach to get to this back bathroom. They have their own entry right here, and then that goes right into the living room area. You do have a nice bike rack that you probably came in real handy for bikes and everything.
Yep, yeah, it did.
And then you've got an extra little hitch back there. You could put another extension on that and even tow some more stuff. Now it's wired for a backup camera, but it's not active. Big patio, power awning, outside speakers, outside shower. A lot of neat features on this coach, but it's the floor plan that really gets everybody on this coach. Whoa. So you walk in, and then it just opens up with this slide out. You can just see how much room there is. People can walk around. Your mom or your wife can cook, not get in anybody's way, and she's still right in the middle of everything. So big boot dinette, that folds down, makes it into a bed. And then you've got these bunk beds back here. Big windows. Kids never complained about heat, did they?
No, kids loved it back here.
And you got under storage right there. There's under storage under the dinette. And then here's the access to the bathroom here. Now you're a pretty big guy. I stood in there. Somebody 6'2", 6'3", get in there, no problem.
No problem at all.
Basic little foot flush toilet and a nice sink. Did your wife always say she had plenty of storage?
Wait, plenty of storage. No
Well, I saw what you guys took out of this thing.
Yeah.
Put plenty of storage. And you got a two-door refrigerator. No ice maker, but that's all right. Bring your own ice. 3-burner stove with an oven, which you said, yeah, you guys never used. And you got a standard microwave right here. Nice little double sink. And again, more storage here. And then you've got all these storage cabinets over here. Now, one of the things I thought was pretty cool is you got a swivel TV. You can just swivel that, and you can tell the kids it's time to go to bed, and that's it.
You can sit in your bed and watch TV then.
Yeah, and then this is a neat little privacy bedroom. You guys, that's one of the things I always hear people say about this floor plan. Parents have their own private bedroom. Kids got plenty of sleeping out here.
Yep.
And there's plenty of room.
It's also nice because when the kids had friends, they could all be in this area.
Right.
We could be away from them.
And another thing I like is these big windows. You got to bet you go out by the lake or the river or whatever. It's really nice to have that. And then you guys upgrade, put a nice memory foam mattress. There's storage underneath the bed with an extra foam topper. You got a nice little closet right here. So simple. And you got ducted AC, so the AC went throughout the coach. Floor looks really good. No major scratches, a couple little dings here and there, but nothing serious. For a 2018, Scott, you guys took really good care of this. It really looks good.
I think sitting inside helps. Being stored indoors,
Without a doubt. I always tell people it's like making your trailer into a diamond in the rough, because it just is not exposed to the elements. So anything else you can think of?
No, it's been awesome. Obviously, we're selling because we've got older kids. Got a daughter in
Your
college.
daughter's going off to college.
Yeah, and a son that's a junior. So it's just, we've reached that point.
Go
It's
back
just
out
time.
one more walk around. So it does have a 6-gallon water heater, 30,000 BTU furnace. So you guys, were you ever in real cold weather or anything?
Yes, absolutely.
How did that furnace work?
Perfect. Nice and warm. We'd come outside and see everyone else in their tents, huddled up in their puffer jackets, and we'd go right back inside in our shorts and t-shirts.
You got like that. Well, again, folks, a 2018 Heartland Wilderness, the 2850 BH bunkhouse model, located in Denver, Colorado. Showings are by appointment, so you're going to have to call me at 720-660-3062. A bunch of other pictures, like I said, are on my website at Next Step Pro Sales. So check all those out. Give me a call, and we'll be happy to show you the trailer. And hopefully we'll see you here in Denver. Thanks for watching.